Hallo, guten Abend. Ich bin hier in Munich bei der Vulkan 2023, and I'm gonna stop that. I'll speak English now. Hello, hi. This is just my first impressions. Day one, reporting from the field, the findings. So I traveled over on the train from France, saw some wonderful scenery. I'm not sure if it's coming through on the video, but I've been eating a lot of croissants and it's so good. And I'm in trouble because German food is heavy and delicious. But anyway, so I'm here in my hotel room. I've just come back from day one of Vulkanised 2023. Was very cool, very fun. I was in the tutorial group because, well, of course I want to learn as much as I can. I've never sort of formally sat down and been formally trained in Vulkan. The tutorial is sort of like a spiral. So it's in a cross-platform CMake environment. You can open it up in Visual Studio or VS Code or Xcode or whatever you want, or Vim. And it goes from the outside in. So it starts at a pre-built framework. I didn't get a lot of footage from the Google offices. I tested the speed, by the way, the internet speed. It's pretty fast. I'll put that up. The download speed, yeah, it's pretty fast. Not as fast as my apartment in Paris. The upload speed is incredibly fast. That's crazy. But anyway, the tutorial starts with a completely pre-built framework. So it's very top level, like, draw a model. And then they circle in the difficulty and they say, okay, well, you drew a model, but really in order to draw a model, you had to create a pipeline. So let's go and create a graphics pipeline step by step. And then now let's draw a model with the graphics pipeline. And let's create, while we're at it, let's create a whole bunch of graphics pipelines. And I'll stick some footage up there of running the different graphics pipelines. But the session was run in a series of maybe 1 hour to 90-minute coding sprints, which is pretty hardcore. I got through most of them. I didn't get all the way. Every session does include example final built code that works. So I'll put up footage of what the final product looks like. But it was very cool to learn to see production Vulkan code, and, or not, maybe not production Vulkan code, but at least educational Vulkan code. And yeah, I mean, that's what I've been doing all day, is just coding hardcore to the max. It's been super fun, and I'm looking forward to the next 2 days where I'll be digesting talks and things. And yeah, afterwards we had dinner. That was very cool, very nice. And the food odyssey will continue, which I'm very much looking forward to. And I can't think of anything else to say. This has been my little day one Vulkan update. I'll come at you tomorrow with day two. Bye.